begin to shine. Happy hearts and dreams divine. Step by step we laugh and play, growing brighter every day. Nirmala Nursery School, we sing today. Our little stars will lead the way.
A very warm and cheerful welcome to everyone present here. It fills our hearts with immense joy to see such wonderful gathering today as we celebrate a very special occasion at the Nirmala Nursery. Let us invite our little angels from section A and B to present a beautiful prayer dance, seeking blessings for happiness, wisdom and success. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. Children, come.
Hey, let's say a little prayer before we start our day. Let us thank God for the lovely things He has given us. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Let us sing it again for all that He has given us. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Thank the wonderful Lord.
It's my great joy to welcome you to annual day celebrations of our nursery school. Today is a very special day for us. Our little children have been eagerly preparing for this day with great excitement and enthusiasm. Annual day is a wonderful opportunity to celebrate the talents, growth and achievements of our children. I would like to thank all the parents of your constant support and encouragement. Your cooperation helps us guide and nurture the children in the best possible way. To our dear children, today is your day. Perform with confidence, enjoy every moment, and make beautiful memories once again. I warmly welcome each and everyone you and thank you for being here to encourage our little stars. Let us enjoy the program together. Thank you and have a wonderful day. It's a great honor and privilege for us to welcome our President, Sister Teresa Nazareth. Your presence today adds great joy and importance to this occasion. We are truly grateful that you have taken time from your busy schedule to be with us and encourage us. On behalf of the management, staff, children and parents, I warmly and respectfully invite our President to kindly come forward and grace the stage. Let us welcome our President. A big round of applause for us to welcome our respected community leader, Sister Kavita. Your presence among us today brings encouragement and inspiration to our entire community. We are grateful for your guidance, leadership and support. On behalf of everyone gathered here, I warmly invite our beloved community leader to kindly come forward and grace the stage. Let us welcome our community leader with a round of applause. Big round of applause, please. Thank you, sister, for giving this opportunity.
We want to felicitate our esteemed chief guest for today. Please join with us. Thank you. Clap, clap, clap. Sisters have worked hard, long way to be with us today. They are our chief guests for today. Cheer them up, children. They have come for you all. Again, clap, clap. Clap and give them a warm welcome. Thank you, sisters. We are glad you are in our midst. Now we'll present a small gift to our sisters. Clap one more time. Clap, 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 clap. Thank you. Thank you, sisters, for being with us, for accepting our invite.
Smile on your face, with love in our hearts, with joy in our life. We welcome you this day. With smile on your face, with love in our hearts, with joy in our life. We welcome you this day. We are glad you are here. We are glad you have come. We are glad you are here. We are glad you have come. 1, 2, 3, let's give a cheer. Yeah, benvenuta. Hearty welcome, happy welcome, cheerful welcome, great welcome, joyous welcome, gracious welcome, lovely welcome, warm welcome. May God bless you, may He always guide you, may He hold you true, may your wishes all come true. May God bless you, may He always guide you, may He hold you true, may your wishes all come true. We are glad you are here. We are glad you have come. We are glad you are here. We are glad you have come. 1, 2, 3, let's give a cheer. Yeah, benvenuta. Hearty welcome, happy welcome, cheerful welcome, great welcome, joyous welcome, gracious welcome, lovely welcome, warm welcome.
Now get ready to listen to a classic story, A Thirsty Crow, beautifully narrated by our little storyteller Andrew.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bianca Felix. I'm going to say story Thirsty Crow. One day, a crow was very thirsty. He searched the water here and there. At last, he saw a pot, very little water. In it, he thought a plan. He collected some toes, put in a pot, one by one. A level of water came up. A crow drank the water, flew away happily. A moral of the story, where there is a way, there is a way. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ketan. I'm going to take rolling pulley. Rolling pulley, rolling pulley. Up, up, up. Rolling pulley, down, down, down. Rolling pulley, up, up, up. Rolling pulley, in, in. Rolling pulley, slow, slow, slow. Rolling pulley, fast. Thank you. My name is Riyanshi. I am
yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, cause this is a...
Do the rigga-digga-ding-dong song.
A diggy ding 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 diggy diggy ding a diggy ding 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 diggy diggy ding a diggy dang 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 daga daga dang a daga dong 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 da dong a diggy ding 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 diggy diggy ding a diggy ding 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 diggy diggy ding a diggy dang 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 daga daga dang a daga dong 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 da dong a diggy ding 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 diggy diggy ding a diggy ding 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 diggy diggy ding a diggy dang 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 daga daga dang a daga dong 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 da dong.
मस्ती में तुम हो मैं भी, मस्ती का दम भरो, दीवाने तुम हो मैं भी, दीवानगी करो.
Venga, DJ. Vamos, DJ.
दीवाने तुम हो मैं भी, दीवानगी करो.
Do the rigga-digga-ding-dong song.
A diggy ding 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 diggy diggy ding a diggy ding 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 diggy diggy ding a diggy dang 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 daga daga dang a daga dong 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 da dong a diggy ding 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 diggy diggy ding a diggy ding 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 diggy diggy ding a diggy dang 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 daga daga dang a daga dong 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 da dong.
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच टूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी.
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच टूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी जब तूने ये बात न मानी.
Morning, everyone. My name is Anya. I'm going to share what's a lion story. Once a lion caught a mouse, and the mouse said, "Please don't eat me." Someday I'm into a field. Lion let him go. One day, the lion got in a understand. Was alone. Two doors let the lion free. Now, moral, listen always. Here for the thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kuipuvan. I'm going to set a line. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya. Chiku, 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 chiku. Rosella, Rosella. Mummy, daddy, mummy, daddy. I love you, I love you. See the baby dancing, see the baby dancing. Just for you, just for you. Thank you. Morning, everyone. My name is Mary. I am learning in nursery big section. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up a 6, 7, 8, lift your foot. 9, 10, I've been fat hand. Thank you.
भैंस चराए।
बस आज की रात है, कल से वही से आपे है, जी भर के नाच लो ना, घर वाले ना मापे हैं, जब पे अपना राज है, डरने की क्या बात है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है।
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है। अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है।
ये तो बस शुरुआत है।
One hand in the air, one hand in the air, and we go from left to right. Watch this. Left, right, left, right. Two more times, two more times. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Come on. Down.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kandida Smith. I'm going to tell about my school. My school name is Nirmala Nursery School. It is very beautiful. A big playground. My teachers are very kind to us. I like to play with my friends. The school playground. I love my school very much. Thank you.
Malama pita pita de, malama pita pita de, malama pita pita de, malama pita de, malama pita pita de, malama pita pita de, malama pita pita de, malama pita de. Holi holi, பக்கத்துல சிரிப்பு ரங்கோலி, ஜாலி ஜாலி, பக்கத்துல மயங்குற டோலி.
ಗಾಲಿ ಗಾಲಿ ಮೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವನುಂದ ಗಾಲಿ, ಜಾಲಿ ಜಾಲಿ ಹಡಿಪೋಳಿ.
We now invite Mrs. Sarah Sunaina, the mother of Crystal, for a vote of thanks towards the end of our wonderful program. Mrs. Sarah Sunaina, please.
Greetings to all of you. Primarily, I thank the Lord Almighty for His grace and love upon each of us and our families that we are present here today. I am Sarah Sunaina Gunukula. Take the pride to extend the vote of thanks for this day, which is the annual day of Nirmala Nursery School 2025-26. Before I could go any further, may I reflect upon the journey that we all have begun together around 10 months ago, when the portals of Nirmala Nursery School welcomed these little ones open arms and we handed them over into the potter's hands. The sisters, teachers, aunties, they have skillfully molded, shaped these little darlings and crafted them towards life's skill and in just few months. From being shy to being confident today, from learning individually into social groups, and then to improve their vocals, we could see them stand by alone and do their performances. So for this day and for these lovely memories you have given, we thank you and we can't say enough. From being just one to making friends, to have classmates, every bit of that which was witnessed on the stage this morning is worth a million. I believe that there have been innumerable situations visible to us and sometimes outside the classroom which we were not aware of. On behalf of the parent community, I express my heartfelt gratitude to the dignitaries here, especially Sister Teresa Nazareth, for being here. Your very presence means a million to these little hearts. She is the president of the community and she has been here praying and being resilient towards these little hearts. Also, I welcome and extend my thanks to the leader, Sister Kavita, to the other sisters who are present here. Sister, you have been a constant support. You have encouraged, motivated. Maybe we couldn't see, but definitely that had led the team to work really hard. And all that is bear a fruit today. Thank you very much. Again, recollecting with the end that we are going to have 2025 and 26 as a signing off academic year, I thank the parent group who had actively participated in various events throughout the year. It has been some which were small in the classroom and some which we have borne a stage here. Everything was wonderfully taken up. The volunteers, the group, the parents, each of you, a hearty gratitude expressed on our behalf. The management, principal, teachers, the parents who have equipped different levels of help at home, that you have taken absolute care to see that your child was here performing well. Sister Julie, a special mention to your entire team. Not to forget that every child's birthday was made memorable, especially the videos that were shared. I was sure I was just waiting to see whose birthday and where the little ones are cheerfully enjoying. Thank you very much, sister. On behalf of the parent community, I thank Sister Nana, Teacher Priscilla, I'm sure I can, yes. So, Teacher Priscilla, Teacher Christina, the new member who joined recently, Teacher Divya, and I will fail if I do not mention Teacher Delphin. Thank you for being here. It has been Section A and Section B, but I know it was all four of you on your shoulders taking the entire group. So thank you very much. We cannot miss and we cannot thank you enough for being impartial, for being patient and taking care of the utmost need of every child. They required different love and you all have expressed it in various ways. Thank you very much. Equally appreciative of the selfless service that was rendered by the aunties, popularly known in the campus, that is Christina auntie and Shabana auntie. Thank you very much, aunties. Your selfless service to the kids at different points of time has been a great help in their learning too. So thank you very much for that. And outside the classroom, I also extend my thanks to the Karate Sir Kumaraswamy. Not just the academic skill, but life skill was definitely taught. And we are sure that children are enjoying them thoroughly. Without you, the dear children, thank you very much for making it memorable for the parents. I'm sure when you were dancing on the stage, every parent and a grandparent here were tapping, trying to reel back to the time now they can go home and dance to your music. So thank you very much, dear children. So this has been possible only because you have become a student community, a future citizen, no doubt. Let us sincerely remember our prayers and in our good thoughts, the families of Jaden and Bhavyansh. Our prayers can surely build their future. Whatever gaps and vacuum could be, we might not materialistically fulfill, but our prayers will surely heal them. So a reminder that we are assuring our prayers and we continue to keep them in our love. finally and equally important, a huge thank you to the grandparents. When the parents were busy, I'm sure the other two shoulders were taking up the responsibility. So along with the parents, the grandparents equally have all the appreciation today, and entirely on your timetable as such, you have made it possible for the kids to finish one full academic year, which is like an achievement of a graduation day. So thank you very much. Let us in one accord cheer our own selves. We have been loving our kids so much that sometimes we can't keep up appointments. We just make excuses. But today, seeing this number and having you here is such a joy. So it's a cheer and a tap on the back for us that we keep up our responsibilities sincerely and we do not miss out on bringing up our children to definitely be a confident human ultimately. Let us also join to thank the sound system team. Thank you very much. And for the decoration of the stage, we thank the videography and the photography for the live coverage system for all that you have made today a very successful one. Thank you very much once again. And let us all join to bring up this new generation and make this world a better place. Thank you one and all.
Alex! Attention! Let's go! Yes, keep us dancing, come on! Yes, one, 2, 3, 4, 5! Yeah, Alex! Attention! Let's go! Yes, one, 2, stretch, come on, stretch, come on, stretch, come on! Come on, stretch! Yes, yes, come on! Yes, yes, come on, back! Bend, come on, back! Bend, come on! Wow, very good, come on, sir! Let's! Attention! Let's go! Come on, let me come on, yes, come on, very good, come on, now. Yes, come on, yes, come on, yes, come on, right, good, come on, yes, very good, come on, yes, come on, yes, come on, yes, very good, come on, yes, come on, yes, very good, very good, come on, very good, come on, yes, come on,
Shivansh, that's his certificate, and it's a lifetime achievement right at this very young age. Please clap. He got a gold medal in Kimiti. That's called Kimiti. It's fighting apparently, and he won a gold medal. Very good, Shivansh. We are proud of you, darling. Thank you, Kumar sir. Thank you, sister, for giving this opportunity to the students at Nirmala Nursery. These are the winners of National Committee Championship at Katedan on 8th of March. Adya bagged a gold medal. Clap for her. She was a bit nervous to break the tie, but yeah, she did very well. She did very well at the National Championship and she got a gold medal. Clap for Adya. Very good, Adya. Girl power. Gold medal. Very good. He was down with high fever, but here he is today. Thank you, Asher. Very good, Asher. Congratulations for your silver medal. Very good. Yeah. Clap for Asher. Thank you. And now we have bronze medalist Himanshu bagged a bronze medal. It's an achievement, darling. You're not supposed to cry. Cheer. Smile. Cheer him up. Children, cheer him up. Your friend is crying. Come on, cheer him up. Himanshu, show your bronze medal.
Come on.
Okay, all the champions and all the karate students, please come on to the stage. Please.
wouldn't really take much time. Firstly, let me call upon Principal of the school, Sister Julie. So thank you for all the efforts that you have done in molding not only children but also the parents. Okay, let's keep clapping for them. Mihira's parents should be ready to felicitate our sister with a small sapling.
Present, please. Keep it rolling. Okay, clap now. Clap, clap, clap. This is a time of appreciation. Clap. 3 minutes, Sister Julie.
I invite Sister Naina. Come on the stage.
Yeah,
Get her a big hand. Yeah, Sister Naina. Parents. Shrestha's parents.
Clap, clap, clap.
Shrestha's parents.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, the most beautiful teacher, most active, Miss Priscilla.
Please, children,
Mercy
clap for
Andrew.
your teacher.
Amanda.
Clap, clap, please.
Christina teacher onto the stage. Judah.
We are done with it.
Miss Divya teacher onto the stage.
Come on.
Vianshi's parents. Pushnita's parents. Teacher on the stage. Miss Delphine teacher.
Delphin teacher, come on.
Dilip's parents. Joseph Raphael's parents. Okay, I welcome both the aunties on the stage. Miss Christina, the sapling. And I now invite Shabana auntie also onto the stage. Yeah. Hanmika's parents. In time. So thank you dear teachers, dear sisters, the principal and all parents and all the support staff for this wonderful upbringing and wonderful molding of our children.
It's time for prize and certificate distribution to appreciate the efforts, talents and achievements of wonderful children.
Emma Pearl first in the 100% attendance. Come on children, clap
We
your
invite
hands.
Sister Teresa to the stage to give. Clap, clap, children, clap.
Clap your hands.
Clap your hands for her. She has 100% attendance. Oh my, she bagged three medals, is it? Very good, very good. Champion for the future. Clap for her.
Come on children, clap your
3
hands.
prizes, multi-talented. Multi-talented, clap for him. 3 prizes in one go. Very good. Well appreciated. Clap for him. 3 prizes in one go.
Ma'am, one second, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sacrifice. Okay, parents, please make sure you're collecting your child's medal and the reward and certificate. We don't want mixing up. Please keep them safe. Also, all these children are multi-talented. I have always invited for 1 prize, but here everybody is getting 3 prizes.
Anshika, first in oral test, third in rhyme. Yeah, please clap hands for Yanshika.
Okay, it happens. Such a big event.
Next, Justin Glory. Glory.
Madam, one second, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good job. Yes, very good. That's a great achievement. You should be proud of us.
Aditri, first in the spoon and potato race, second in the ball race, third in the rhymes. Come on children.
you?
Ball raised during the rhymes.
Very good.
Very good, children.
Great achievements. You all have done really good.
Next, Addison Kullu. Next, Katti Tande. Addison Kullu, first in running race, second in sack race.
Look straight. Nana.
Clap your hands, children. Well done, Addison. Navika, request you to be. Navika. Navika.
Very good.
First in spoon potato, second in attendance, third in story study. All of you clap your hands, children. Very good, Navika. Congratulations. Maurya, Nellore Maurya.
Well done, Grace. Very good.
Maurya. Grace, third in line. Clap, children, all of you. Give a round of applause.
Cheer them up, please. Please.
Give them a round of applause. Comedy, first in rhyme, second in running, third in stories telling.
Thank you, sister.
Nainisha. Trish. Sestra.
Nanisha.
Adi. Trish. Children, clap your hands, children.
Not children, parents, please. Please cheer them up. Please.
Bastel. Bastel. Come. Bastel.
We still have
Judah Daniel. Daniel. Judah Daniel.
Daniel.
Judah Daniel, are you here?
Jayden, you're next. Where are you? Almost 2 had a very pleasant year, I'm sure. Time for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे वंदे वंदे
A big round of applause for the entire management for organizing this wonderful event. I'm sure we will not forget. We will be in touch with all of them.
Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Little stars begin to shine, happy hearts and dreams divine. Step by step we laugh and play, growing brighter every day. Nirmala Nursery